Thanks. Any other tips?
Subscribe to this channel and I'll share other tips.
I'll do it right away.
Shall I leave now?
No, wait. There is another problem.
What exactly is the problem?
My car won't start.
Have you tried turning the key?
Yes, I did, but nothing happens.
Did you check if the battery is working?
No, how can I do that?
You can use a multimeter.
I don't have one. What else can I do?
You can ask someone for a jump start.
What's a jump start?
It's when you use another vehicle's battery to start your car.
Oh, and how do you do that?
You do it jumper cables.
Okay, I'll try that. Thank you for the suggestion.
If it still doesn't work, you might need a mechanic.
I appreciate your help. I'll give it a try.
Now, may I leave?